Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice dresser that we're actually going to redo. We're going to do a nice sea glass, stain the top, but first we've got to remove all the hardware and start sanding. So let's begin by removing all the hardware. Alright, it is time to sand this piece so we can stain it. The top is going to have to get stained or sanded all the way down to its base, getting rid of all the poly and whatever's on this top so we can stain it. Now the sides and the front and the drawers are all going to get painted, so we're just going to do a light scuff over all that and fix any issues that we have, get them all smoothed out, and get this piece ready to be cleaned up, painted, and stained. Alright, all the hard work has been done, sanded, vacuumed, wiped down. Now we can get to the fun stuff. Now in a previous video we did a dresser, and we're going to do the kind of same similar style here. We're going to do with the no paint gel stain walnut top and our Dixie Belle sea glass paint for the base here. I'll tag that video at the end of this one so you can kind of see the similarities. But our next step is start staining it. So we're going to use our walnut and begin. We have it stained. Now we're going to paint it with our Dixie Belle sea glass paint. We're also going to use our Dixie Belle paint brushes. We're going to use both of these today. Our chip brush to get up underneath here nice and easy. And then our big one, just because of the good amount of volume that it holds, and I really like these brushes. So let's start painting. As you can see, 2 layers of paint. We got our stain done. Now we're going to put our Dixie Belle clear coat on it, and then we'll get these handles put on. Alright, here it is complete. lots of drawers. So we used the sea glass paint by Dixie Belle. We also used Dixie Belle's walnut stain, and we also used Dixie Belle's clear coat to get this piece completed. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. I'll also tag the next video, which is the same sea glass with the walnut top in a dresser form to kind of let you guys see the difference. So, have a great day.